Hey guys, welcome back to some Happy Wheels. And it's just me, Michael, with you today. Or you may call me as Mick in the Mick Jack games. Okay, so let's just play now. Okay, can you make it? Okay. This guy's my favorite. Anytime today, please. Ha ha ha! You little thing! Ow. Ow! He's touching him! Yes! Okay, let's not play this. Glass break. Irresponsible dad. Come on! Okay, glass break. Yeah! Yes! I am amazing! Sword throw! Let's beat this guy. Whoever he is. Wait. My god. I am waiting. Kill them all. Let me change character. No. Actually, it's fine. Kill them all. Netta! Okay. Can't get my arms up. Santa's Adventure. He's letting me pick when it's called Santa's Adventure, so I'm going to be irresponsible dad. We're gonna go fight Santa, son. Dad! Don't leave me! My god. Dad, my leg! Daddy, okay? Do you need a hospital? Dad! Oh my god! Santa will be best for this. Go, my little elves. What the hell? Go! Oh my god. That sucks. Let's see. Which one? Epic ball throw. I like ball throws. Oh, okay. Okay. This looks nice. Yes. Good. Yes. Good. Amazing. I'm amazing. I got good. Ah! Get out of here. No! No! Why? Why am I JB? Oh god. Yes, yes. Trouble! You came back! Yeah! I love you for that. Yeah. Amazing! I am amazing. Win, win, come on! No! Me! Who is me? Is it me or the guy who created this? No! I'm Chuck Norris. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to burn your house and kill you. What? I'm going to prove you wrong. No! Ah, not one day! Go! Go, my little ball! Come back here! Go! What? 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 Okay, let me go. That's my dog. If you could hear her, that is my dog. 99.9% impossible. Let's go Segway. This is impossible! Not on my butt. This is impossible! I'm alive! Oh no, this is... Oh. Let's try Santa Claus. Come on. Come on. Sorry. Presents! You blew up the mine! Ho ho ho! Screw this. Okay, let's try the next page. Oh my god. You know the guy who invented the Segway died on the Segway? I find that hilarious. Super sword throw. And I'm the wheelchair guy. My brother! You will die! Oh my god. Oh look, it's Stefano and PewDiePie. Stefano. How did I lose my leg? I didn't even do anything. I didn't do anything. Swisher. Okay, this is gonna be my last one. PewDiePie. Dear PewDiePie, can you please play this? Well, too bad! PewDiePie isn't here! It is just Mick from MickJack Games. Damn you! Whee! My legs! My legs are gone! No, I loved Mr. Legs. Oh, that was short. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this episode today. So, yeah. Please, do something in the comment box of what game we should play next. And, let me give you a little info on next episode. It's Minecraft. And, so, hope you enjoyed this episode. And, okay, so bye. Jack will be joining you next week as well.